Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, February the 6th, 2023, and I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. And in Dutch they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. Yeah. And this one will be number 5919. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 13, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. We'll see if this is really a 4 stars, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Single boxes are always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box. Their dual box contains the 1 and the 2. The 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Here also the 1 and the 2. The 1 is already filled in, so this box should be a 2. More dual boxes? No. Then the following question, triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? Let me scan the puzzle. No triple boxes. Then the following question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3 and 4. Well, those numbers I cannot fill in. I need to wait for more information. Insufficient information. Yeah. Here also 1, 2, 3 and 4. Need to wait. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures. Oh, wait. Here another quadra box. When you see a quadra box in a L shape, when you see a quadra box with an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the box, the inside box of the L shape quadra box is always a 5. Okay, always a 5. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope, only one. No, here, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright, a 2. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2. Alright. More? Nope. Only 2. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? Yeah. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? Nope. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? Let me draw this here. In this case, it's the S. If you flip this or rotate this and mirror this, you will get the Z. same figure, same shape. But when you see the S or the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, more of these kind of shapes. Let me see. No, only one. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. And it's connected with that box should be also 1. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box here. Only one T shape, I believe. Yeah. Do you have more shapes or figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, 5 figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5. And the following question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this Z or S construction should be there. These two boxes can be a 3, 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Wait. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 4, but we already have 4 here. So it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 4. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadrat box for number 3. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadrat box should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be 1. Oh, sorry. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 in the morning. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, let me mark those 2 and the 4. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be there. This box can be 2. This box can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 3. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, it should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and the 4. I think this box should be a 3, because yeah, one digit left in this Z or S construction for the number 3. Okay, and I think this box should be a 4. Yeah, of course, because it's connected with each other. So this box should be a 4. And 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So we have a double 3 here. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 4 goes here. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, and this, oh, we already have a 1 here. Overlooked. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here or here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be a 3, but also that box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Need a 2 here. Okay, these 2 boxes, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of these 2 boxes. So this box can be a 2, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 3. For the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow, 14 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm very pleased with the time. and I like this one. Yes, so we do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, aka samurai Sudokus, or puzzles. I've a lot of playlists. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.